This video is for informational assistance only and does not replace the written assembly instructions. You must read the entire manual and familiarize yourself with all the pieces and procedures before progressing with assembly. Now that you've assembled your Imagiblocks, it's time to build your wall. The wall we're building is 10 feet by 10 feet and will give you a basic understanding of how Imagawalls go together. This wall is built with 9 36-inch Imagiblocks and 3 12-inch Imagiblocks. Your wall will vary. Refer to Planning Your Wall Assembly or call for more instructions. And while there are many ways to build an Imagawall, the main thing to remember is you have to stagger the blocks to ensure the wall's structural integrity. Plan your wall so none of the seams line up. Start by attaching your first block to a solid wall. We're building this wall with a simple support wall on both sides. The blocks at the base of the wall are assembled with the merlins or cones facing toward the interior of the Imagiblock. The wall sections are temporarily held together at the top with an extra connector block. Now, the two sections are one solid piece. We're adding a second section to our support wall. We place the side with the merlins or cones facing out into the bottom block, ensuring it locks into place. Now, we'll attach the blocks to the support wall. For more information, see the manual or our video on how to connect Imagawalls. We'll bring in the next block and temporarily secure it at the top. We'll follow the same procedure for the remaining 12-inch block on the bottom row. Set it in place, then temporarily secure it at the top seam with a connector block. Next, we add a second row to our wall. The blocks on the second and third rows must be assembled with one set of cones facing out. Place the block cones down into the block of the first row, making sure it seats. We add a third row to the support wall, then secure the Imagiblock to it. We remove the temporary connector block, bring in the next block, and put it in place cones down. Now, we place the first block of the third row and secure it. The pattern continues. Bring in the next block, place it cones down, and temporarily secure it with a connector block at the seam. We've added a second support wall that's 2 blocks high. After securing the first row to the support wall, we'll put in the last 36-inch block on the second row. We add the third block to the support wall, then secure the second row. Now, we'll finish the final row. We secure the block that's already in place, then place the second block cones down and add a connector block over the seam. Continue this pattern on this row and every subsequent row until your wall is finished. Be sure to put a connector block over every seam and secure the end blocks to the support walls. Your wall is complete and ready to be skinned, decorated, and anything else you can imagine. Thank you for watching. This video is for informational assistance only and does not replace the written assembly instructions. For more information, please phone 844-949-2557, email info@imagispace.com, or visit imagispace.com.